In this video, I will show you how to make pop-up text in CapCut PC. Let's get started. Launch CapCut on your PC. Click on New Project or open an existing project where you want to add music. Navigate to the text section. Drag and drop the default text into the editing timeline. Type in the desired text. Customize the font. Customize the font size. Make it bold if you want. Choose a color to match your video aesthetics. Go to the Animation tab. Choose an animation effect like pop-up, bounce, or any other that suits your needs. Adjust the duration and timing of the animation to control how quickly or slowly the text appears. Play back your video to see how the pop-up text looks in action. Make any necessary adjustments to timing, position, or effects until you achieve the desired result. By following these steps, you can effectively create engaging pop-up text in CapCut PC.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.